Welcome to the very first episode of DeneDrone, a project that's close to my heart and rooted in the land and has shaped who I am. This is more than just a drone footage. It's a journey through our stories, our history, our future. My name is Trent Billette, and I'm inviting you to join me in exploring the Buffalo River Dene Nation and learning about the way we live and thrive here in northern Saskatchewan. The first video marks the beginning of something special. We're going to show you the beauty of our homeland, the rich traditions of the Dene people, and how we, as Indigenous people, are reclaiming our voices through entrepreneurship and innovation. You'll not be only hearing from me, but also from the people who make this community strong. Elders, youth, entrepreneurs will be sharing their stories of resilience, culture, and how we're shaping our future. DeneDrone is about reconnecting with our roots and showing the world the untold stories of our people. In the first episode, I'm going to give you a taste of what's to come. You'll learn about our connection to the land, the importance of traditional knowledge, and how we're using the wisdom in today's world. Whether you're from a Dene community, another Indigenous nation, or you're a non-Indigenous ally, there's something here for everyone. We want to bridge cultures, share our experience, and inspire others to see the beauty of our world through a different lens. With DeneDrone and through my business Indigpreneur, we're not just telling our story, we're rewriting it. We're showing that our traditions and modern entrepreneurship can walk hand in hand. We're creating opportunities for Indigenous entrepreneurs to thrive, and we're inviting everyone to be part of this movement. In future episodes, we'll see us dive deeper into Dene culture, explore the breathtaking landscapes we call home, and hear from those working to make our communities stronger. But today, let this be your introduction, a reminder that even in the most remote corners of the world, there are stories worth hearing and people worth knowing.